Uphold versus Coinbase, which is better? When it comes to buying, selling and holding crypto, two names often come up, Uphold and Coinbase, but which one is actually better? Whether you're just getting started or looking for a more advanced platform, this breakdown will help you decide which fits your needs best. Let's start with Coinbase, probably the more well-known of the two. Founded in 2012, Coinbase has become a go-to platform for crypto newcomers. It's super beginner-friendly, with a clean interface and easy navigation. You can buy crypto in just a few clicks, and they support more than 200 cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many altcoins. Security-wise, Coinbase is a heavyweight. They're a publicly traded company in the US, regulated, and they offer features like two-factor authentication and insurance on stored digital assets. Your USD balances are even FDIC insured up to $250,000, but there's catch fees. Coinbase is known for being convenient but not cheap. On the standard Coinbase platform, you'll often pay between 1.49% to over 3% in total fees. If you switch to Coinbase Advanced Trade, the fees drop significantly, ranging from 0.6% to 0.4% depending on your trading volume, but the interface is more complex. Now let's talk about Uphold. Uphold might not be as famous, but it's a serious contender. What makes Uphold stand out is its multi-asset platform. You can trade not just crypto, but also US stocks, national currencies like the dollar or euro, and even precious metals like gold and silver all in one account. They support over 300 cryptocurrencies, so they're no slouch on that front either. The interface, also beginner friendly. It might not be quite as polished as Coinbase, but it gets the job done and with fewer pop-ups and distractions. Now, about those fees, Uphold uses a spread-based fee model. This means fees are baked into the price, you see. Typically, spreads range between 0.8% and 1.2% for major cryptos in the US, but they can be as high as 3% or more in volatile markets or for smaller coins. There are no additional trading fees, which makes it easier to understand your total cost. What about ownership and control? Both platforms let you hold your crypto in their custodial wallets, but Coinbase gives you the option to move your assets to a private wallet with full control. Uphold also supports withdrawals to external wallets, but with some limitations depending on the asset. For those looking to earn passive income, Coinbase offers staking for certain coins like Ethereum, Tesos, and Cardano. Uphold, on the other hand, has recently started rolling out staking as well, though it's more limited. So, who should choose what? If you're just getting into crypto and want a platform that's secure, trusted, and offers educational tools, Coinbase is probably the way to go. But if you want access to more than just crypto, like trading between fiat metals and crypto without leaving one platform, and with a more predictable fee model, Uphold could be your ideal choice. At the end of the day, it comes down to what matters most to you. Lower fees, broader asset access, simple user experience. Let us know in the comments which platform you've used or plan to use, and if this helped you decide, don't forget to leave a like. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only, it's not financial advice.